you see yourself. You say, hi, we're gonna go sledding. Yeah. We're gonna go take the dog out for a walk and go sledding at the same time and get some footage of our nice snow. Hi, Dad. Ready to go sledding, babe? Yeah. Oh, hi, bud. Seatbelt. Haha. Isn't that funny? You gonna hold that for me? Yeah. Does that work? Hey Bella, say Merry Christmas. I want to tell you what Grandma and Papa got you, Charlie.
What?
They got you a gift card so that you could go zip lining like 4 times.
Wow.
Yay!
Can you do that? From Holland, from a country named like you.
That means you have to be very careful. Isn't my antique, Dad?
Well, it's called vintage since it isn't more than 50 years old. But yes, I mean, it's in a category between new and antique.
I have a mustache.
Yeah, well, remember, don't shave it off.
Holly, what? I got this doll for Christmas. Whoa.
What's her name?
Her name is Josh Kendrick.